I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool this town.
Tá cuairteoir speisialta taca chun cainte leis na underdogs agus í díreach a rás ón Austrail. Abby Larkin. Imróir is sreat na hÉireann na Shamrock Rovers agus an timróir is óige a Jimmer riamh le fud in na hÉireann sa chur an damda.
When I first got selected for Australia, I literally started bawling. I didn't realise that was actually real. That's obviously one of my dreams, and I didn't think it would happen at this age as well, especially because there were so many other girls that could have been selected instead of me, and obviously Vera gave me my chance, and I was obviously grateful for that. And then obviously, yeah, we were training nearly every day and stuff. It got hard, came up to the Australian game, and I was shitting when I found out what was going on. I was like nearly panting, and I was like, I can't do this. Obviously, there were so many fans stuff. The most I played in was like Tallaght, so that's obviously the most I've ever played in front of. And then obviously coming on against, like, I think it was 70,000? Yeah. 75,000? I don't even remember. I came on, but it was so weird when I came on, I could literally hear everyone on the pitch. Like, I thought I wouldn't have been able to hear, like, anybody. But it was kind of like, I think people call it, like, white noise. You literally can't even hear the fans when you're on the pitch. Playing in front of them was amazing. Like, that's the dream, isn't it?
Tháinig Abby isteach sa chluiche agus deardig le trúchatí nóid den Scott a immert a gcuine na Australia.
Came on and was just like, I've nothing to lose, so I just went out and just played the way I normally do. Thank God I didn't really have that much of a bad game. I actually played good.
Cé gur tháinig críoch dímách le haistear na hÉireann sa chur an damda. Bhain Abby an súpas.
It was unbelievable even getting a chance to come onto the pitch. That's all I was there for. I was kind of there just to enjoy it. Like, obviously some of the girls, it could have been their last World Cup, and you know, they wish they could have ended it on more of a high, but I enjoyed every minute of it. So obviously I was talking about playing in front of like big crowds and stuff. Like, if that ever like happens to you and stuff, it, like, the way I overcome it was just kind of like, I've nothing to lose and just go out and play. Like, it's just a normal game. You know, I just do it for the enjoyment of it. It's not really, if I make a mistake, I make a mistake. It's not the end of the world, you know what I mean?
Like, tá taithí do creidte a go bit gimmert sa corn downdas agus míle buchas as teacht aniu agus samid cósás de bula leat agus géisteach leat bhí sé ar ausdúin agus míle buchas. So thanks
for having me.
Underdogs, a go forward to the Airgrid.